Ever wondered which Norwegian Cruise Line ship tops the charts and which just sinks your expectations? We've scoured TripAdvisor, Yelp, and Google reviews to rank all 19 NCL ships from worst to first. Prepare for surprises, sarcasm, and brutally honest passenger feedback.
Cruising to paradise, love in the air. With every sunset, Malik and Misha are there.
Welcome to Love and Adventure.
Welcome back to To Love and Adventure. Today, we're ranking every Norwegian Cruise Line ship from worst to first, from mega ships to mini ships, new floating resorts to classic cruisers. We'll touch on each ship's size, home ports, crowd vibe, food, fun, and more. Each one even gets a letter grade. Let's set sail. 19. Norwegian Dawn. With room for 2,340 passengers and 1,032 crew, the 2002-built Norwegian Dawn comes in dead last. Recent reviewers slam Dawn's average at best food and too many extra-charge restaurants. Even the free ones book up. Despite a 2024 refurb, passengers still find a lack of quiet spaces and dated entertainment. One guest described the lounges as crowded, noisy. Sailing Caribbean and European routes, Dawn attracts budget cruisers and NCL loyalists, but it just can't compete with newer ships. Even a friendly crew can't lift a ship that feels stuck in the past. Grade F. 18. Norwegian Epic. The Norwegian Epic is unique, and not always in a good way. This 4,100-passenger megaship suffers from a horribly designed deck plan, with lots of bottlenecks, plus tiny pools that get overcrowded. Its curvy cabin layout, with odd bathroom setups, is another head-scratcher. On the bright side, Epic's big shows and lively nightlife still shine, if you can snag a seat. Overall, many cruisers feel the Epic's awkward design undercuts its offerings. It earns a D grade. 17. Norwegian Getaway. The Norwegian Getaway. Built 2014, for 3,963 guests, 1,646 crew, offers plenty of fun on paper. Water slides, a ropes course, and a Miami vibe. But reviews say it doesn't quite deliver. Passengers report small pools and overly crowded decks, and popular shows often fill up early. Main dining also gets mixed reviews. Some found the food bland. While families and partygoers do enjoy the buzz on board, Getaway's congestion and aging design hold it back. Grade D. 16. Norwegian Sky. The pint-sized Norwegian Sky holds 2,000 passengers, 899 crew, and is known as NCL's party boat on short Bahamas cruises. It draws weekend warriors with its casual vibe and free-flowing drinks. Sky even had an open bar promo in the past. But being an older ship, 1999, Sky shows its age. Some cruisers have called it the worst ship, filthy. On the upside, many report a friendly crew and a fun, no-frills atmosphere. If you're just looking to booze and cruise for a few days, Sky fits the bill. Grade C-. 15. Norwegian Sun. Built in 2001, the Norwegian Sun, carrying approximately 1,936 guests, 906 crew, is a smaller, more traditional cruise ship. She sails everywhere from Alaska to Asia, attracting travelers who prefer a relaxed atmosphere over flashy thrills. The Sun's classic design means no go-karts or water parks. Instead, you get buffet breakfasts with ocean views and maybe a game of bingo. Reviews often call it well-kept and the staff welcoming. There's decent dining variety and low-key entertainment, but nothing cutting-edge. All in all, Sun provides a comfortable, if dated, cruising experience. Grade C. 14. Norwegian Star. A twin to Norwegian Dawn, the Norwegian Star, 2001, carries 2,348 passengers, 1,031 crew. After a recent refurb, the Star is clean and well-maintained for her age. This ship has no water slides or high-tech attractions. Instead, it offers a more laid-back, classic cruising vibe. It's been used on long bucket list itineraries. South America, Europe, attracting older explorers who enjoy the cozy lounges and traditional dining. There are fewer entertainment options compared to bigger ships, and some venues can get busy, but overall, the Star delivers a pleasant, if old-school, cruise. Grade C. 13. Norwegian Breakaway. The Norwegian Breakaway, 2013, carries 3,963 passengers, 1,657 crew, marked NCL's move into megaships, and still offers a fun resort-style experience. Based much of the year in New York, Breakaway is packed with options. Multiple dining venues, a water park and ropes course, comedy club, and even Broadway-style entertainment. Crowding can be an issue on sea days, the pool deck especially, but the ship's layout manages traffic better than her sister Getaway. Cruisers enjoy the diverse restaurants and lively nightlife on board. Breakaway remains a solid hit for those who like a big ship vacation. Grade C+. 12. Norwegian Gem. The Norwegian Gem, 2007, carries 2,394 guests and 1,070 crew and proves mid-sized ships can still shine. Sailing from New York to Bermuda, the Caribbean and more, Gem has an intimate, easy-to-navigate layout that past passengers love. It lacks the big thrills of NCL's newer vessels, but offers a rock-solid cruise experience, cozy lounges, personable service, and plenty of classic cruise fun. After refurbishments, the Gem looks fresh and is kept very clean. Entertainment and dining are both enjoyable, if not extravagant. Overall, the Gem delivers a friendly, balanced cruise that keeps many guests coming back. Grade B-. 11. Norwegian Jade. The Norwegian Jade, 2006, carries 2,402 guests and 1,037 crew and has become a versatile globetrotter. One week she's cruising the Greek Isles, another doing an Asia or Middle East voyage. So Jade attracts an international, adventure-seeking crowd. Although she's older and mid-sized, a recent refurbishment has kept Jade looking modern and comfortable. Don't expect go-karts or laser tag. Instead, Jade offers a relaxed atmosphere, friendly service, and staple NCL dining and entertainment on a smaller scale. It's a favorite for many experienced cruisers who value her interesting itineraries. Grade B. Enjoying this countdown? Please smash that like button and subscribe to To Love and Adventure for more travel and cruise content. Tell us in the comments which NCL ship you think deserves the #1 spot. Now back to the list. The top 10 ships await, and you might be surprised who takes the crown. 10. Norwegian Pearl. One of NCL's Jewel-class ships, the Norwegian Pearl, 2006, holds 2,394 passengers and 1,072 crew and delivers a big cruise experience on a mid-sized vessel. The Pearl often sails the Panama Canal, Alaska, and Caribbean routes, and wherever she goes, she earns praise for her well-kept condition and cheerful crew. The ship has a few fun touches, but her real strength is a friendly, easygoing vibe. Dining options and entertainment are a notch above the oldest ships, and the variety pleases most guests. Overall, Norwegian Pearl offers something for everyone without feeling overwhelming. Grade B. 9. Norwegian Escape. Launched in 2015, Norwegian Escape is a large, activity-packed ship, roughly 4,200 passengers, 1,700 crew. In 2025, she's cruising from New York in summer and the Caribbean in winter. Escape is loved for its abundance of dining options and entertainment. It debuted a Broadway show and features live music in multiple venues. Families enjoy the water slides and ropes course, while adults retreat to the spa or the waterfront promenade for oceanfront dining. Yes, it can feel crowded on sea days, but overall, Escape delivers a high-energy, crowd-pleasing cruise experience. Grade B+. 8. Norwegian Encore. The newest of NCL's big ships, Norwegian Encore, 2019, carries 3,998 passengers and 1,735 crew and is jam-packed with attractions. You'll still find high-adrenaline attractions like a racetrack and VR arcade, some for an extra fee. Entertainment is Broadway caliber and dining options abound, from steak to barbecue. Downside? The main pool is small and many thrills cost extra. Overall, it's an A- ship offering something for everyone in a high-energy, high-tech package. 7. Norwegian Spirit. Norwegian Spirit, 1998, isn't flashy, but after a 2020 makeover, it's won a cult following. It carries 2,018 guests and 912 crew and deliberately has no kids' facilities or water slides, cultivating a serene, adults-focused atmosphere. Wonderful staff and service. Excellent food. One reviewer raved. By day, passengers relax in the spa or quiet lounges. By night, they enjoy live music and intimate shows without the chaos of a megaship. If you value a laid-back cruise with top-notch service over non-stop action, Norwegian Spirit is a dream. Grade A-. 6. Norwegian Viva. Brand new in 2023, Norwegian Viva is Prima's sister ship, designed to be a slightly more upscale, downsized megaship. She carries approximately 3,099 passengers double occupancy in a very large modern cruise ship that feels gleaming clean and well laid out. Viva's outdoor spaces are expansive, with expansive decks and plenty of ocean views. On board, you'll find a go-kart track and epic slides, plus an indulgent food hall. The trade-off is some of the coolest activities come with extra fees. The vibe is a bit more refined than NCL's older ships, but still plenty of fun. Grade A-. 5. Norwegian Joy. Originally built for Asia in 2017, Norwegian Joy now delights North American cruisers. This Breakaway Plus ship carries about 3,800 guests and 1,700 crew and is packed with fun. A go-kart track, water slides, laser tag, and a huge observation lounge for scenic views. Staff was great and food delicious, one family wrote after sailing. Entertainment on Joy is top-notch too, from the dazzling production show Elements to live music throughout the ship. Grade A. 4. Norwegian Bliss. Built in 2018, Norwegian Bliss holds about 4,000 guests and 1,700 crew, and is often hailed as NCL's most all-around successful ship. In summer, Bliss sails to Alaska with a stunning observation lounge, perfect for glacier viewing. Cruisers love that Bliss combines thrilling features, a go-kart racetrack and water slides, with ample relaxation spots like the waterfront promenade. Dining and entertainment are also top-notch, from Broadway shows to comedy clubs and live music. As one guest put it, the experience was well worth the money. Grade A. 3. Pride of America. NCL's Pride of America is the only cruise ship that sails Hawaii year-round, and it's a winner. This 2005 ship carries 2,186 guests and 927 crew and offers a 7-day Hawaii itinerary that passengers rave about. This cruise was top-notch all around, one of the best yet, wrote one experienced cruiser. Pride of America isn't flashy, but it provides an immersive aloha experience. Island-inspired dining, Hawaiian cultural ambassadors on board, and overnights in port for true exploration. And the crew's warm aloha hospitality gets high marks. It's a bucket list cruise for many, and it delivers. Grade A. 2. Norwegian Jewel. She may be from 2005, but Norwegian Jewel has earned a reputation as one of NCL's best-loved ships. Holding 2,376 passengers and 1,069 crew, the Jewel proves that smaller can be better. Even though it is older, it is kept super clean and everything is in good shape. Crew is fantastic, one review raved. The ship's not lacking for fun either. There's plenty of dining and entertainment, just on a more intimate scale. Jewel often sails far-flung routes, attracting experienced travelers who appreciate its friendly, easygoing vibe. Grade A. 1. Norwegian Prima. Topping our list is NCL's new Norwegian Prima, launched to 2022. A ship that's reshaping the cruise line's image. Carrying 3,950 passengers with 1,388 crew, Prima is slightly smaller but more upscale than NCL's recent giants. Passengers have been wowed by its contemporary design and spacious accommodations. But Prima isn't boring. You'll still find high adrenaline attractions like a racetrack and VR arcade, and plenty of new dining concepts, like a high-end food hall. Some attractions require reservations or extra fees, but overall feedback is stellar. Early reviews for Prima are stellar. It earns a ginormous A+ grade. Bonus. Norwegian Aqua, the latest evolution of the innovative Prima-class. Elevate every part of your vacation with more expansive outdoor space and unobstructed scenic views. Enjoy more first-of-its-kind experiences like the all-new Aqua slide coaster. Feel right at home with a greater variety of spacious suites. Relive the magic of Prince in a new, immersive concert experience aboard. Revolution. A celebration of Prince brings the iconic musician's legendary sound. Sing, dance, and celebrate with the cast, or watch from your seats. With her christening in 2025, Norwegian Aqua is the newest ship sailing the Caribbean. Norwegian Luna. Sailing in 2026, this extraordinary ship offers something special for every moment of your vacation. A ship thoughtfully designed for every phase of your vacation. You'll be over the moon with the variety of delicious food options. From the newest additions like Sukhothai and Plantarie, to Prima-class favorites like Indulge Food Hall and NCL legends like Cagney's Steakhouse. Like its predecessor, it will feature the Aqua slide coaster, indulge in a sunset swim at the infinity pools, and enjoy a moonlit stroll on Ocean Boulevard. From electric days to brilliant nights, your vacation will shine on Norwegian Luna. That's the full fleet, ranked worst to first. Whether you're seeking a thrill-packed megaship or a laid-back smaller vessel, Norwegian Cruise Line has an option for you. If you enjoyed our 2025 ranking, be sure to subscribe to To Love and Adventure for more cruise content and travel guides. Now tell us, did your favorite NCL ship get the grade it deserved? Click here to check out some of our other cruise ship ranking videos located in this playlist, or click here for our most recent travel vlog adventure. Until next time, happy travels and bon voyage.